Hi everyone! Kumusta mga higala? This is your Maestra, Judy. Today, I am going to teach you how to say, "What are you eating?" There are two ways to say, "What are you eating?" in Bisaya, Cebuano. First, unsa imong gikaon? Unsa imong gikaon? The other one is, unsay gikaon nimo? Unsay gikaon nimo? Now, unsay is actually a contracted word of unsa ang. Unsa ang. Now, let's break it down. What is unsa? And you is imo or nimo. Imo is a contracted word of imo nga. Imo nga. Eating is gikaon. Now, repeat after me. Unsa imong gikaon? Unsa imong gikaon? Okay, now let's try the other one. Unsay gikaon nimo? Unsay gikaon nimo? Okay, there you have it guys. Two ways to say, "What are you eating?" in Bisaya Cebuano. Thank you so much for being with me today. Please go over to my site cebuano101.com to learn more Bisaya phrases. See you in the next video. Bye!